Okay, so we are going to play a little bit here on the dollar double bonus to see what happens, so you can watch. Let's hit 4 of a kind right here. Didn't win, but we're gonna make it happen. 2 8s, so all right, 4 8s right here. Go. Oh, maybe not. Okay, like 4 7s right here. 3 7s, that's pretty good. Yeah, so 2 10s and 2 2s, and there you go. Hey, that's something. There we go. We're gonna win something big. I feel a really big win. Oh, here we got. We get a diamond. No. Hey, we got a flush. Hey, how about that? Nice. All right, let's go. Okay. We got 2 4s. We want 2 more 4s right here. Or maybe not. A couple of 2s. Okay, got a couple of 2s. I feel like a big win is about to happen here. People are about to see it. Oh my god. 3 of these. We needed 1 more. Kill me. Ace. Now we're gonna win. I'm telling you. Big, oh my god, we have 4 4s. 3 4s. We have 1 more 4. This is gonna be massive. It wasn't massive. You're killing me, people. Oh my god, we got 3. Can we get a 4th? No, we cannot get a 4th because we suck. 2 queens. Can we get 2 more queens? No. We got 2 kings. More kings. That's all we're trying to get is a quad on this shit. 7 3. 7 3. And let's go. You suck so bad. We go with the ace here. We need 4 aces or something. This is awful. Oh my god, 2 queens. We get 4 more. Here, king. Hey, we got a flush. That's good. It's a long video, and there's no chance we are going to win anything, but what's we do? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. 2 queens, we're gonna win. Right, we get a quad on this shit, we are going to be out of control. This game could last forever. That's all I'm saying. Nice. We are about to win huge. That's all I'm saying. We're about to win a massively successful outcome here. It's about to happen. All I'm saying. It's going to be awesome. We are 6 minutes into this video. We are about to win huge. So we'll see. I think we're going to win huge. So we'll see how it goes. It'll be soon. Nice. So we got Jack. 3, Jack. Okay, we're gonna make this happen. Oh, we did not get anything. 2 queens. I think we're gonna get 2 more queens right here. Or maybe not. Who knows? So things are out of control. We're gonna finish this off pretty quick here, actually. Yeah, that's pretty good. There's a minor chance we can actually, yeah, probably not. So, okay, so 7 or 2 right here. All right, so take that and that. And go! That's all we got. So, it's all good. And that's about it. It would be awesome if I could hit 4 quads. Hey, we got something. And, which is pretty good. I don't know what we're doing. We have like 8.5 minutes of this goddamn thing, so. See what happens. So anyway, we're just and go. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. And bye. That's what I'm talking about right there. And hey, got a full house. We're hanging in there. This is like an 8-minute video. See what we can do here. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Nice. Here we go, right here. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. We are about to win huge. Probably won't be here. Nope. That might be done. Might be done. I'm thinking it might be done here. Let's get that 4. Not so much. Either way, it doesn't matter. I have to go. Call it good. There you go. Oh my God, you're killing me. Why can't I get that? Let's go. Go. Oh my God, did I just bet 5? Yes, you did bet 5. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Alright, we might be done here pretty quick. Really? I think so. I'm gonna take this down to 200, that's it. Okay, should be soon. We're done. I think we might be done, I don't know. That's the one. We're done after this. You think? I think so. We're done after this. And that's good. So we're done. Alright, so cash out. It's all good.